Good morning, kindergartners. Today we are going to be on to winter. So this is the first season that we are going to cover in depth. So remember, this unit is about seasons and weather. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. Dear kindergartners, hello again from your pen pal, Annie. In my last letter, I told you about the 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Today, I am going to tell you more about the first season in the cycle of the seasons, winter. What kinds of things do you think of when I say winter? So just think for a minute. Some of the things you think of when someone says it's winter time, just think just for a few seconds. I'll tell you what I think of. Cold. Winter is the coldest season of the year in the United States. Winter includes the months of December, January, and February. Let's look at the calendar to see when winter is. So, we just entered December, so we're starting in our winter month. So, December, January, and February. So 3 months that are going to be cold and kind of nasty. Can you tell by looking at today's date on the calendar if it is winter now? Alright, so we're going to be talking about the monitors now. It can be very cold in the winter. Do you know how we can tell just how hot or cold it is outside? We can tell how hot or cold it is by using a tool called a thermometer. A thermometer measures temperature, which is a number we use to talk about how hot or how cold something is. When it is hot outside, the liquid in the thermometer rises towards the top to show that it is hot. A temperature like 80 degrees is hot. A temperature like 100 degrees or more is really, really hot. When it is cold outside, the liquid in the thermometer stays down near the bottom to show that it is cold. A temperature like 50 degrees is cold. A temperature like 30 degrees is really, really cold. So this one right here shows a hotter temperature, and this one shows a colder temperature. Sometimes it gets so cold outside that we say it is frigid. Do you remember what frigid means? It means very, very cold. When the temperature is frigid, it's a good idea to wear clothes that will keep you warm when you go outside. Clothes like hats, scarves, coats, and mittens help you keep you warm when it is very cold or frigid outside. It is usually cold during the winter, where I live in Washington, D.C. Sometimes it even gets cold enough to snow. For it to snow, the temperature must be below 32 degrees Fahrenheit. 32 degrees Fahrenheit is called the freezing point. When the temperature outside is at the freezing point or lower, water will freeze, and it will snow or sleet instead of rain. So it's a little hard, but there's snow on the ground to see, and people are bundled up in their warmer clothes. Sometimes there are big snowstorms called blizzards. During a blizzard, there is lots of snow and wind. When there is a blizzard, traffic comes to a halt. All the cars and trucks on the road stop. They halt or stop because there is too much snow to drive. Schools will be closed if there is a blizzard too. When it snows, people use snow shovels to shovel snow off sidewalks so that others do not slip and get hurt. People also shovel their driveways so they can get their cars out once it is safe enough to drive. In many places where it snows, snowplows clear the snow from the streets. The big plow on the front of the truck scrapes the snow and ice from the streets. But even though people shovel snow off the sidewalks, a snowplow scrapes snow off the streets. People should always drive and walk slowly and cautiously, or very carefully. Snow and ice are slippery, so you should use extra caution or be extra careful when there is snow or ice on the ground. Shoveling snow can be hard work, but you can also have fun in the snow. I'm always happy when it snows because I love to play in it. I like to build snowmen and play outside with my friends. Another way to have fun in the snow is to go sledding. After a big snow, all you need is a hill, warm clothes, and a sled or a flat cardboard box to slide on. Sledding is my favorite part of winter. Winter is also a time when people celebrate different holidays. Some people celebrate Christmas, like most of us celebrate, a Christian holiday. These people are exchanging gifts at Christmas. Some people celebrate Hanukkah, a Jewish holiday, which some people might celebrate. These people are lighting a menorah during Hanukkah. Some people celebrate Kwanzaa, which means the first fruits of the harvest. Kwanzaa is a holiday celebrated by some African Americans. Another important winter holiday is on December 31st, which is the last day of the new year. This day is called New Year's Eve. January 1st is the day after December 31st. It is the beginning of a new year. January 1st is called New Year's Day. We always have a vacation from school around Christmas time and New Year's Eve. Then soon after New Year's Day, we go back to school again. The Lunar New Year, also known as Chinese New Year, is a holiday that happens around the end of January and middle of February. The color red, a color of luck and happiness, is the color people wear on Chinese New Year. Homes are decorated with red paper cut into special designs, and red lanterns are put on display. Children often receive red envelopes, which are supposed to bring them good luck and good fortune in the new year. Families gather together to wish each other good luck while feasting on different foods and setting off firecrackers. There are so many fun things to do during winter. Tell your partner what you like about winter or what is your favorite part of winter. So if you have a little brother, little sister, big brother, big sister, anyone that's living at your home, tell them what your favorite part of winter is. Your friend, Annie. All right, friends, I hope you guys enjoyed. Remember, we are discussing about the seasons and weather. So, friends, I hope you enjoyed and have a nice day. Goodbye, friends.